My name is Robbie. I studied Bachelor of Architectural Studies at ARA. I graduated in 2021. It's something that I've always wanted to do since I was a little kid. I was always playing with Legos and stuff. I always loved drawing up little houses and all that. When I started doing DVC at school, I found that I was quite enjoying it and it didn't really feel like I was doing work, it just felt like I was drawing. The tutors are a lot more involved with our learning and giving us a lot more guidance than that of people that go to university. It felt like a lot more of a collaboration rather than always just teaching. Well, a lot of my tutors are straight from the industry, so it was nice having that experience from the workforce brought into the classroom and we can just apply that straight to our learning. They prepare me quite well, because a lot of the stuff that we learned there is pretty much like a demo version of what I'd end up doing here in the office. So now I'm working at Shepherd & Rat Architects, which I was quite glad to get the job here, knowing they've won quite a few awards and all that. So I'm going to be learning from people with some good experience and they've got quite a bit under their belt. So I'm an architectural designer. I get to do quite a range of jobs here since I'm starting out, whether that's drawing up some floor plans, doing some sketches, rendering stuff, communicating with clients. So it's a mix of like residential, commercial and more public stuff. So I get to dip my finger in a little bit of all of it, which is quite good. While you're studying, just enjoy it. Like have a bit of fun with it, you know, like you're only going to get so many years where you can just draw and design stuff that's not going to get built, and it's just, you can be as creative as you want and you just have a bit of fun with it.